Hello, everybody. Hello, the Visual Communication and Media. My name is Adam Rozeski. It's a pleasure to see each and every one of you. I'm so excited to have you all here. We finally made it to week 6. We're totally toward the end. So, just to give you guys a heads up, I'm talking with the PSC. For some reason, those discussion grades are not posting, so it's really frustrating for me. So, I'm going to get them fixed tonight and make sure everything's good to go by tomorrow evening. I'm also going to be looking through any makeup grades or anything throughout the week. Other than that, just kind of catch up. If you are missing assignments or anything, please let me know immediately. Please do not wait till the last day because you will not be able to get everything in on time. So keep in mind, last day is Friday this week. So that's very important. So please make sure you have all that in so everything's good to go. So yeah, let's talk about it. So this week we're going to talk about ethics and how ethics are really important. So yeah, pretty much important with a lot of different things. So yeah, let's talk about a couple things. So let's go over the announcements. We're gonna fill this in time. So same lecture as always, same time as always. Tuesday. So yep, it's gonna be Tuesday. Last day is actually gonna last week turn in work, so it's not gonna be. It's actually gonna be the 16th. So keep this in mind. The 16th, last day working. So it is actually Friday, not a Tuesday. So it'll be good. So same thing here. Friday the 16th. Sorry about that. I taught this course last. I forgot to update this slide. But yeah, just keep in mind, last day of this course is the 16th. So please make sure you have everything in. It's the same time as always, Tuesday. Other than that, your discussion work and all your work should be turned in by Friday this week. That'll be good. Other than that, just main focus is going to be on ethics and visual communication. We're going to talk a lot about ethics overall, visual stereotypes, how they shape perception. We're also going to talk about digital alteration ethics, permission to use images, understanding the social impact, and regulations. And that's really what we're going to be focusing on this week. I like ethics. Ethics is always a strong one, and there's nothing really wrong with that. It also kind of sets moral boundaries, so that's something to keep in mind. Other than that, that's all I got. Lectures same time as always. I'll keep catching up on the grades. I should have everything cut up by for all the remaining week for the previous weeks by Thursday. If you have any questions about it, let me know. Other than that, that's all we got. So really excited to finish this with y'all. It's gonna be a great course, and yeah, let's finish it strong. All right, be safe, have fun, enjoy. Contact me if you need me. Other than that, see everybody for later. Take it easy. Bye-bye.